Dear friends, hope you're having a great day. We're excited to share our daily 12 premium trading signals designed to help you trade with more confidence and better planning. Each signal includes clear entry, stop loss, and target levels, so you know exactly how to approach every trade. To make it easy for everyone to get started, we're offering a tester plan for just $10 per month. This allows you to try the signals first, check the accuracy, and see the results for yourself. If you're happy with the performance, you can upgrade to our other plans anytime. As a special bonus, you can get 25% off your first month when you join now. You can find the link in the description and comment box below. We truly appreciate your support and would love to have you join our growing community. Let's learn, trade, and grow together. Thank you so much. Disclaimer: please do your own research before trading. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.